Top Best 4 Days Itinerary for Miami. Welcome to Miami, the vibrant city of sun, sand, and endless entertainment. In this video, we will present the top best 4-day itinerary for exploring the diverse neighborhoods, beautiful beaches, and cultural hotspots that make Miami a must-visit destination. Get ready to immerse yourself in the energetic nightlife, indulge in delicious cuisine, and soak up the sun on pristine shores. Day 1. We begin our journey in the iconic South Beach. Start your day by taking a stroll along Ocean Drive, famous for its colorful Art Deco buildings and lively atmosphere. Enjoy the beautiful beach, take a dip in the turquoise waters, and soak up the sun. For lunch, head to Lincoln Road Mall, a pedestrian street filled with restaurants, cafes, and shops. Choose from a variety of cuisines and savor a delicious meal. In the afternoon, explore the Art Deco historic district. Take a guided walking tour to learn about the architectural heritage and history of this vibrant neighborhood. Don't forget to snap some photos of the stunning buildings. Day 2. Today, we'll dive into the vibrant cultural scene of Miami. Start your day by visiting Little Havana, the Cuban heart of the city. Explore Calle Ocho, 8th Street, visit the famous Domino Park, and indulge in authentic Cuban cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to try a traditional Cuban coffee or enjoy a hand-rolled cigar. For lunch, head to Wynwood, Miami's vibrant arts district. Explore the colorful streets adorned with stunning murals and visit the many galleries and boutiques. Grab a bite to eat at one of the trendy restaurants or food trucks. In the afternoon, visit the Wynwood Walls, a curated outdoor street art museum featuring works by renowned artists. Day 3. Today, we'll explore the natural beauty and charming neighborhoods near Miami. Start your day by visiting Key Biscayne, a picturesque island paradise. Relax on the white sandy beaches, go for a swim, or rent a kayak to explore the calm waters. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the beautiful Bill Baggs Cape Florida State Park and climb the historic Cape Florida Lighthouse for panoramic views. For lunch, head to Coconut Grove, a bohemian neighborhood known for its lush greenery and waterfront views. Explore the charming streets filled with boutique shops, art galleries, and cafes. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at one of the waterfront restaurants. In the afternoon, visit the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, a stunning villa built in the Italian Renaissance style. Explore the lavish interiors, wander through the beautiful gardens, and take in the breathtaking views of Biscayne Bay. Day 4. On our final day, we'll indulge in luxury and relaxation. Start your day by visiting the Miami Design District, a high-end shopping and cultural district. Explore the chic boutiques, art galleries, and enjoy a delicious brunch at one of the trendy cafes. In the afternoon, embark on a Biscayne Bay cruise to experience the beauty of Miami from the water. Sail past the stunning waterfront mansions, enjoy panoramic views of the skyline, and even spot some marine wildlife. In the evening, head to Brickell, Miami's financial district, for a sophisticated dining experience. Choose from a range of upscale restaurants offering a variety of cuisines and enjoy a memorable dinner. We hope this video has inspired you to visit this vibrant city, where you can enjoy the beautiful beaches, explore diverse neighborhoods, and immerse yourself in the cultural scene. Miami offers a unique blend of relaxation, luxury, and vibrant energy that will make your visit unforgettable. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your time in the Magic City. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.